We started this thing together. That's the crazy part.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna rock this now. You're gonna see what fly means.
Cool, Zalapo. Sanbona Namakaya, we are Black Diamond and we are here with Relay Jeans for Stitched In.
You started producing in front of me, like I remember, dog. Like we used to chase like for a computer, trying to find a studio, trying to find someone to record us, you know. But you were more like you were so driven about like, yo, I need to make sure we get our own computer so that we won't walk around asking for favors that we people that can't even give us. But we finally did that.
Emakai, Nambis. Yo, man, yo. Lady Smith played a very huge influence in like in our sound. You know, Imbobe, the way we sing, the way we actually even carry ourselves, you know.
That was such a blessing to us, you know, because that's where we met, that's where we started this thing, that's where we knew the melodies, the harmonies, because of the Skatama influence that they're doing, but...
Just comes natural. It's
crazy. Our very first time performing together.
What? Wasn't it at school?
Yeah, I think we performed at school. I remember we had a function, and then they called our name, then we went to the assembly, we performed. I mean, yo, that was crazy. Everybody felt the energy, everybody felt like the music, and I felt the love too. Did you enjoy it?
I did, bro, I did. Especially at that time, I feel like people already like, I mean, our peers, they're already aware of the movement, Black Diamond, but like, for us to get like that stage, you know, in front of our peers and them showing us love was just like crazy.
The style, the dressing, like it plays a huge role when it comes to Black Diamond, our brand itself. You understand? We know very well what we want, we know very well how we want to present ourselves and how they used to be like skinny jeans.
Yeah. And now we're rocking out chain now.
It's different. Now it's really jeans.
It's different now. Now it's different now.